Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom t-shirts and sell them online without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many designers earn 5 to 20 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Next is virtual assistant. As more businesses go remote, the demand for virtual assistants who can handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support is skyrocketing. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Trello for task management or Calendly for scheduling. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for virtual assistant services, depending on the complexity of the tasks. To stand out, focus on delivering excellent communication and quick solutions. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is e-commerce management. Many entrepreneurs need help managing their online stores, and that's where you come in. As an e-commerce manager, you'll handle tasks like inventory management, order processing, and customer service. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the scope of the work. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Fourth is AI content generation. With the rise of AI tools, there's a growing demand for experts who can create high-quality content using AI. If you enjoy writing and technology, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on creating engaging and well-researched content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about YouTube thumbnail design. With millions of creators on YouTube, standing out is crucial, and a great thumbnail can make all the difference. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop. Many YouTubers pay $10 to $50 per thumbnail, and some even offer ongoing work for consistent designs. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to YouTubers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose t-shirt design, virtual assistant, e-commerce management, AI content generation, or YouTube thumbnail design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.